Hello friends, I have come up again with my notes on short tricks which are for JEE, main and advanced, and students for of 11th and 10th can take benefit of this because these are just very simple techniques which all the students can understand. Now let us move to the question part. I am starting with the first trick. Look here. These are short tricks on quadratic equation. Trick number 1. If the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are real and equal, and a plus b plus c is 0, then a is always equal to c. So you know this is the quadratic equation. Sum of the coefficients, that a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, c is constant term. Sum of all this, if this is 0 and roots are real and equal, then a will be equal to c. Now let us go to the first example. Here example is, if roots of the equation a minus bx square, c minus ax plus b minus c equal to 0 are equal, then a, b, c are, these are the four choices. AP, roots are either in AP or HP or GP or none of these. Now, as per the technique, look here, A plus B plus C should be 0. Now, here, A is your A minus B, B is C minus A, C is B minus C. Sum of this is 0. Then A will be equal to C. Then A will be equal to C. So let us go accordingly. What is A here? A is your A minus B and C is your B minus C. So they will be equal. From here we get 2B is equal to A plus C or B is equal to A plus C by 2. It means the terms are, these A, B, C are in AP. Now let us go to the second example. Look here, if the roots of this equation are equal, then A, B, C are, you have to choose one of these, whether they are in HP, GP, AP or none of these. Solution is here. Now let us compare. A is your A into B minus C, B is your B into C minus A, and C is your, so sum of this, it comes out 0. It means A should be equal to C. What is A here? A into B minus C. It should be equal to C, that is C into A minus B. It gives B is equal to 2AC over A plus C. It means A, B, C are in HP. This is the condition for ABC to be in HP. Now let us go further. Trick number 2. Trick number 2 is here. Put 1 and 2, you can do. This is very short trick. Now look here. A, B, C are real numbers, and 1 is a root of this equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then this equation, that is 4ax square plus 3bx plus 2c equal to 0, has roots which are, now you have to choose one of them. Now, as per the technique, let the roots are 1 and 2. Put 1 and 2, you can now do. Look here. What will be sum of the roots? It will be 3. What will be product of the roots? 1 into 2, 2. So equation will become, as you know, in your 10th class, you are forming the equation when you are knowing the sum of the roots as well as product of the roots. That was x square minus sx plus p. Here s is 3 and p is 2. S is 3, p is 2, put it here. Now what you get, a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 2. Now here you will find a plus b plus c is 0. And now you know the value of a, b, c, put it here. Our equation in the question is this. Now it will change the shape because we know the value of a, b, c. Put the value of a, b, c here. You get this new equation. Now you want to find whether the roots are real and equal or different, real and distinct. So for that you have to find the discriminant. Discriminant comes out to be 81 minus 64, that is 17, which is greater than 0. So the roots will be real and different or distinct. Real and distinct is the answer. Real and distinct. This is the answer. Now let us go to the next. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, this is the equation given to you, then value of this is, we have to choose the value. Here the solution is 1. Now look here, let us go as per the short trick. Alpha is 1, beta is 2. Then if we know the roots, then the equation becomes x square minus s. S will be sum of this. Sx plus p. Product will be 2 into 1, that is. So this is the equation. However, equation given to us is this one. X square. Equation given to us is this. X square minus p into x plus 1 minus q is equal to 0. Now if we go as per the equation, what we will find on comparison, the value of p comes out to be minus 3. Let us compare. Coefficient of x is minus p. Coefficient of here x is minus 3. So p will be 3. Similarly, here constant term is minus q minus p, minus q minus p. Here constant term is 2. So we know p is 3. Put it here. You get q is equal to minus 5. Now we know alpha, that is 1. We know beta, that is 2. And we know q, that is minus 5. So देखिए ये एक्सप्रेशन इन्हीं से बना हुआ है. अल्फ़ा भी है, बीटा भी है और क्यू भी है. हमारे पास सारी चीज़ें हैं. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फ़ा 1, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ बीटा 2, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ क्यू minus 5. What you will get? 1. This 1 is equal to, look here, 1 is equal to b. In this case, the answer is this. Answer is b. B is equal to 1. Our answer is 1. This is also 1. So option will be B. Now let us go to the last one. If tangent A and tangent B are the roots of this, then value of this expression we have to find out. One of the options here, option D will come. Let us see how it comes. Let us take, instead of 1 and 2, now you take 30 degree and 60 degree. Because sin A plus B we know, and cos A plus B we also know. No, look here, tangent A is 30 degree, tangent A and tangent B are roots. So it is tangent A. Tangent 30 is 1 over root 3. Tangent B is tangent 60 degree, root 3. Sum of the roots is this, and product of the roots is 1. Sum of the roots is 4 over root 3. Now make the equation. We know sum, we know the product. So equation becomes like this. Now sine square A plus B. Sine A plus B. Sine 90, 1. A into sine 90 into cos 90. Look here. A into sine A plus B into cos A plus B. A is, 30 degree, B is 60 degree. So A plus B is 90. Sine 90 will be 1, however cos 90 will be 0. It will become 0. Here it is a cos A plus B. It will become 0. Sine A plus B, sine 90 is 1. Answer will be 1. Look here, on comparison, the value of B comes 1. Value of B comes 1. So answer will be B. B is 1. Look here, they were so simple. Only you have to understand how the trick has to be applied. I hope you must have understood what I wanted to convey today, and hope you will like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.